Money! 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 Money!
Hey, Squidward!
Ow!
Hey, Squidward!
Ow!
Hey, Squidward!
Ow!
Can you help me collect cheese? Can you help me collect cheese so that I can find Gary? Plankton hid him somewhere in Bikini Bottom.
Why do you need to see?
Well,
I got it! I got it! SpongeBob, you mine! Now you sea lice tape recorded as... Or even you!
Yummy cheese.
Okay, SpongeBob, now what?
Huh? Hey, Squidward, why do you sound like Patrick?
Because it's really me.
Huh? Hey, Patrick, why do you sound like Willie the Anchovy?
Because it's really me!
Huh? Now I'm really confused. You look like Willie, but sound like Squidward.
How did I get surrounded by such... SpongeBob, if you could only see your face, you'd know how stupid you look.
Whatever.
No!